darling, my name is Marites. I will be your labor and delivery nurse, okay? So don't worry about it. If you're anxious, just trust me, okay? I have given birth to 5 kids myself, okay? And I have birthed 1,245 kids. It's gonna be painful, okay? But trust me, dealing with your husband is more painful, okay? Hello, somebody call me.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, hello. Darling, what's your
Philip.
name? Philip. You're the husband? Okay, good. What do you need?
Can you give her ice water?
Ice water. Okay, do me a favor, Philip. Do you see that sign in front of the window?
Yes.
Can you read it for me?
It says hospital.
Hospital, right? It's not hotel. So go get the ice water yourself. You're just sitting there. Philip, what are you doing? Are you playing on your phone? Get up there. Go massage your wife or something. Ask her what she wants. Mariosip ka, you did this to her and you're not doing anything and you're playing on your phone? And keep doing that exercise because how you gonna get that baby is how you got into that position in the first place. Yes, Philip, you wanna ask me question?
Yes, don't give my wife the epidural.
How about you don't give your